Hello, dear friends. I'm Colonel R.K. Gupta, proprietor, expert, SSC Coaching Academy. Would like to welcome you to my institute and also like to give you in brief about the conduct of SSB test by Service Selection Board, which is done in two stages. Stage 1 for 1 day, stage 2 for 4 days. And day of reporting is separate. On day of reporting, the candidate documents checking take place, and an officer will come and give the opening address. And thereafter day is off, and next day the stage 1 test starts. Stage 1 is nothing but it is screening test, which is in two parts. One is OIR, Officer Intelligence Rating Test, 50 question each by for this test is given as verbal and non-verbal intelligence test, and then followed by picture perception and discussion test (PP and DT), where a picture of static nature is shown to the candidate for 30 seconds and 5 minutes are given for writing the story. After that, group regrouped into smaller 20 to 20 or 16 each, and then the narration of the story which they written with on the depicted scene will be narrated by each candidate in just 1 minute's time. After that, group is split into two and made to sit down in a circle form, and the discussion take place. Discussion is nothing but here every candidate try to convince that his story is the best and should be stamped as final group story. After that, gentlemen, result is announced. Those candidates who have qualified or made it are known as screened-in candidate, and they will stay back in SSB for remaining tests and retained and be given the PIQ form, personal information questionnaire. And then day is off. Next day, dedicated to GTO, that is the stage 2 test first day. And psychologist has got 4 tests, namely thematic apperception test (TAT), wherein 11 plus 1 picture scene are shown for 30 seconds each and 4 minutes given for writing the story each. After that is word association test, that is WAT. 60 words are given to the candidate to write the sentences in 15 minutes time, that is 15 seconds for each word for writing the sentence. And after that is situation reaction test SRT, where the candidates are given in the booklet the 60 questions, that is on 60 situations or problems, and required to write their answer in just 30 minutes time. After this is self-description, last test of psychologist, where the opinion of parents, teacher, the friends, and self are given by the candidate, and also they are required to write what are the weaknesses they have, a weak point, a strong point, or the strength they have, and what is the aim they have in life, and what like quality like to develop or want to add to become more stable person. This complete is to be written in just 15 minutes time on a piece of paper which is given to them by SSB. After that, some candidate will go for interview and go in civil dress, and then day is off. Next day, the day start with the GTO test, that is the group testing officer. This first test is group discussion, which is in two parts, group discussion 1 and 2. Two topics are given, selected one, and discussion take place on the chosen topic. And then second is no two topics, only one topic is given, and each group discussion will be conducted in just 20 minutes each. And thereafter, next test is group planning exercise, which is a valuable test of also, because here the planning ability of the candidate are tested. Maximum 2, maximum 4 or 5, minimum 2 problem or situation are given to the candidate, and they are required to write the solution, that is the suggested solution, on a piece of paper given to them. After this, the PGT, progressive group task, wherein 4 tasks are there together on ground, GTO will bring the whole group together, brief them on each task, and time given to them to solve them or to complete them 40 minutes. After that is group obstacle race, known as famously snake race. Here there will be 2 or 3 more groups from the SSB board who will assemble and will be standing in their respective lanes, and each lane will have identical type of 6 obstacles to be crossed by each group, and there is no fixed time given here because the group which reaches the finish line first after crossing 6 obstacles becomes the winner. After this, gentlemen, is half group task. Group is split into two and the test is conducted. Task is 1, time is 10 minutes. Some day is off, some candidate will go for interview in GTO test, and next day again GTO test starts. That is individual obstacle, which is got 10 obstacles, 3 minutes are given to complete. Anyone who completes before the lapse of 3, all the 10 obstacles, he gets the bonus point also. And after this, the lecturate will take place. 3 minutes are given to prepare, 3 minutes for delivery of lecturate on the topic. Topics 4 are given to the candidate, and he select one which becomes the topic for lecturate. And after this, command task, only one test or task where each candidate one by one will get the chance to be the leader or commander of the group and will complete the task with the help of 2 candidates which he calls from the group of his choice or liking. And then the final group test, a task where task is 1, time is 15 minutes, and since it's the last test or task of the GTO, you have to put in your 100%, and this is called final confirmatory task also. After that, gentlemen, I'd like to give you a brief touch as to how the interview is conducted in SSB. Interview is conducted by 2 top ranking officers, the president and deputy president, and time is taken as maybe it varies from 15 minutes to 1 hour or plus, depending on the situation. And thereafter, gentlemen, all officers of the SSB will get together to finalize the result that evening. And next day will be the conference day in a big hall where the president, deputy president is sitting in front, and GTOs or the psychologists on each row on the right or left, and then gentlemen, the candidate will come and occupy the chair which is meant for him. Just during the conference, all officers of SSB will be in their respective uniform. And gentlemen, here the result is already been prepared. It is a formality. It is basically for those candidates who are border cases and their fate is undecided. So here their fate will be decided, and then after that 2 hours about taken by the officers here sitting, and they would like to put a final stamp on the result, and the result is announced. The candidate who made it, they are known as recommended candidate and will stay back in SSB for 5 to 7 days for full medical test, and remaining those who are not recommended go back to their respective places. And gentlemen, you are likely to face the SSB soon. I wish you all the best of luck, and thank you, gentlemen. This is all what I wanted to convey today to you. Thank you.